cry of the barn owl breaks through the darkness of the Australian night. And yet, it seems like the perfect sound for it. Nighttime in the Australian forest is a catalogue of amazing species. Among the least seen, but most wonderful, are its birds. A curious masked owl fledgling watches the stars. Masked owls are the largest of the Tyto family of owls. This family has members all over the world, but most of those that occur in Australia are found nowhere else on the planet. The largest type is the threatened Tasmanian masked owl. Estimates say that there are only 500 breeding pairs left of this race. Similar but distinct from the masked owl is the smaller barn owl. This elegant owl is found on every continent except Antarctica and is one of the most widespread bird species on Earth. The lesser sooty owl calls in the forests of far north Queensland. Another Tyto owl, its disc-like facial ring is in common with every other member of the family. All the commotion brings out a chick from the nest. Lesser sooties nest in large hollowed-out trees which take decades to form. They prefer tall, wet eucalypt forest or tropical rainforest in Queensland's far north. Further south, the greater sooty owl occurs from an isolated population in central Queensland to a wide berth between southeast Queensland all the way to Victoria. Often their bomb drop screams from the canopy are the only indication of their presence. As the greater sooty flies off, it might be looking for a sugar glider, enraptured in its feeding on the gum of a tree, or any number of nocturnal mammals. All of Australia's nocturnal birds are predators. The tawny frogmouth is not an owl, but belongs to a different family altogether. It hunts mostly arthropods or small vertebrates on the floor of the forest. The marbled frogmouth, on the other hand, is distinguished by its long tail and unique call. The Papuan frogmouth is the largest of all Australian frogmouths. Found in North Queensland, it is distinguished by its powerful bill and deep orange eyes. The Australian owlet nightjar is Australia's smallest nocturnal bird. It is highly agile, often hunting insects on the wing in the dark. The iconic call of the southern boobook owl is common in the night even in many major Australian cities. The boobook is the smallest of the next family of owls, the Ninox family. The next largest Ninox owl is the barking owl. Ninox owls are distinct from Tyto owls by their lack of a facial disc and by their bold yellow eyes. Its call often sounds like the light woof of a dog, which is where the barking owl gets its name. Larger still and found only in Australia's far north is the rufous owl. And the largest of all Australian owls, Ninox strenua, the powerful owl. With adults possessing inch-long talons and a wingspan of nearly 1.5 meters, these fledgling chicks have a lot of growing to do. When raising the chicks, both male and female powerful owls mate for life and are doting parents. For both parents, nights are spent hunting constantly for food for their noisy and ravenous fledglings. They rarely get a bite in edgeways. Selflessly, the mother gives the tail of the ringtail possum to her chick. He has no idea what to do with it. Powerful owls are apex predators of the forests of southeastern Australia. They feed on medium-sized mammals like possums and bats and large bird species. By ensuring the best survival of their prey populations and keeping their numbers in check, powerful owls are critical species for the health of Australia's nocturnal forest ecosystems. A lone ghost, a greater sooty owl, performs its bomb drop call, and nothing sounds more like night in the bush.